First, retract the cables to one end of the cable duct. Remove the fixing screws of the drag chain and retract them to one end. Remove the screws from the cable duct joint. Remove the bottom fixing screws of the cable duct. Position the cable ducts in a safe location. Perform the lifting operation. Install the cable duct after lifting. Ensure the joints of the cable ducts are aligned flush and even. Secure the bottom screws of the cable duct. Install the fixed end of the drag chain. Make sure that all cable ducts are level and even.